welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small home-based store located with Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay, we deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable and reasonable price ranges. Okay, we dispatch all over India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra. It's a processing charge that has to be paid to the courier agency. Okay, so per order, if you are availing for COD, 100 rupees extra has to be calculated along with the product cost and the shipping cost. So for the normal prepaid order, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. So today I have some Brasso silk sarees. All of them are simple Brasso silk sarees. Okay, it's a quick live update. Okay. All of them are price is 780 rupees and the shipping charges is extra. Okay, so I will go with the sarees now. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay, all of them are simple Brasso sarees. Okay, Brasso sarees, it will be very soft. Okay, it will be very soft and very silky. Okay, so this is the first one. It's a green with pink combination, full floral printed. So this is the body part. You have the floral designs printed. Even the borders are also printed. Okay, it's a very simple saree. It's a green with pink combination. It can be used for a simple functions at the homes and also daily wear, casual wear, and also the office wear. Okay, it's very soft, very silky, and very smooth. You can see the softness here. Okay, it's very soft, very silky also. All of them are Brasso. Okay, this is the pallu. I will show you the pallu. Okay, so this is the pallu. This is how the pallu will be looking, and you have the blouse piece in contrast pink color. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. So these are priced at 780. So this is the first saree. Please take the screenshots for all the enquiries and WhatsApp me at 91505-56870, which I have mentioned in the description also. It's 91505-56870, or you can inbox me also. So with the screenshots, so this is the first one. The same design I have in royal blue with orange combination. So this is the body part. The design is same, but the color is different. It's a royal blue with orange. And the blouse piece. And the pallu. Okay, the same design. This is a pallu, body part, and the blouse. Okay, just this for this saree alone, the blouse has been cut. Okay, it's been delivered like this only. Okay. These are all priced at 780. It will be very soft, very silky. Okay, very soft and smooth. Okay, it's a Brasso silk sarees. And this is the next one. It's an yellow color. So this is the body part. This is the yellow color. Okay, it's a normal yellow, mango yellow color. And the pallu. So this is how the pallu will be looking. And you have the running blouse. Sorry, contrast blouse in gold color. Okay, it's a gold color blouse piece. So these are the details for this one. It's a mango yellow shade with gold work. Okay, I mean not work, it's a gold printed designs. So this is the next design. It's a black full floral design. Okay, so this is how the body will be looking. All of them are Brasso silk sarees. Price is 780. All the prices are same, ma'am. It's 780 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 780. This is the black with dark pink shade. Okay. So this is the pallu. Okay, just a small design will be different in the pallu. Okay, mostly it is the same. Okay, so this is the body part, the pallu part, and also, just a minute, this is the blouse piece. Okay, you have the red color blouse piece and the blouse. Okay, or this, all of them are priced at 780 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. And the same design, it's a red with blue. So this is the body part. The same design as like the previous black. Same design. It's a red with blue combination. All of them are different combinations. Okay. So this is the pallu and the blouse piece in blue color, sky blue color. Okay. So this is the next saree. All of the sarees of price is 780 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees both in Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD you have to calculate 100 rupees extra for all the locations per order. So the next one is an orange with red combination. Just a minute. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a orange with red. Actually I have the same in peach also. So the peach and orange mostly it will be coming with the same color. I mean a minute difference will be there. It's a pallu. Okay, you have some lines in the pallu but the design will be coming along. And the blouse piece in red color. It's a orange with red. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a orange with red with full floral printing. And the next one is a light peach or pink shade with a pink combination. Okay, so this is the body part. It's a peach with pink combination. The same like the orange with red. Okay, in picture and video mostly it will be coming in the same color. Only a slight variation you can see. This is the pallu part and the blouse. So pink blouse. Okay, I will show you the orange also so that you can see the difference, color difference. Okay, it's a orange with red. It's a peach with pink. Okay, only a minute difference will be coming in the pictures and videos. Okay, so this is the color difference. These are the 7 sarees I have. Okay, I had a red color but it got a little damage just before the show, so I don't want to show that saree. So sorry for the inconvenience. These are the 7 sarees I have in Brasso silk sarees. All of them are prices 780. Thank you, ma'am. So keep shopping with us. Please like my page so that you can see all my regular live updates. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.